Hi traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you an exciting update with you all. Within 5 simple steps, now you can automate TradingView strategies in Quantman. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Step 1. Go to Create Strategy. In Add Indicators, type External Signal. This signal is applicable for both platforms like TradingView and Charting. Step 2. Generate Postback External Signal ID. Once generated, then copy that link. Step 3. Go to TradingView. You can set alerts based on either price or indicators. Step 4. Navigate to Notifications tab and paste the URL that has been already created through Quantman. Step 5. Go to Quantman and give Submit. Your orders will be executed once the signal got triggered. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!